This has got the Fix-It Guide with a really easy repair for an old Kitchenaid dishwasher that needs new door springs. So sometimes these springs just break over time. It's actually really easy to replace these on these older Kitchenaid models. And all I need to do is have a Phillips head screwdriver to remove these two screws on the bottom kick panel, and then there's two screws on this bigger green panel above the kick panel. So get those two screws out for the green panel, and then we'll remove those two on the kick panel. That's where the springs go. Those are the hinge points on the door. Just spin those two out. Here's what the spring looks like. This is the part number, and you can order these from Sears or Amazon or whoever's got the best deal. Pretty cheap. So you really don't need any tools. You can just do all this by hand. This is the part number again. And just take it out of the package and hook it up here on the door hinge, and then just pull down. And there's 2 points you can latch it on at the bottom. The one furthest away from the door would give it the most resistance or the most pull. And I tried that, but it felt like it was too hard to open, and the door seemed like it wanted to close all by itself. So I decided to make the spring a little shorter by putting the bottom piece just about half an inch higher up. There's another spot you can put it. And that seemed good. That seemed like it gave the door the right amount of resistance. And with the lower basket pulled out, it would hold the door in place. So this dishwasher is probably 30 to 40 years old, and it still works. It still does a great job. But it just didn't have any springs there. So this is a modern spring, but it goes in really easily. It's fun to see some of these old components on a dishwasher that old. So there's the left spring, right spring, and this would probably just take you a couple of minutes to do. And then we just put the lower kick panel back in with those two Phillips head screws. And then the upper panel has two screws at the bottom, but it has a couple points that latch in against the frame. So just take your time here. Put the upper part in, push it in as solid as you can get it, so it kind of locks into position. And then we'll go ahead and add the screws in at the bottom. There's the left-hand side, and we are done. So I hope that's been helpful to you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.